Imagine if the devastating effects of Alzheimer's disease could be predicted long before symptoms even appeared. For decades, Alzheimer's disease has been known for its devastating impact on memory and cognitive functions. However, new findings revealed that the brain damage caused by Alzheimer's actually occurs in two distinct stages, affecting different cell types and areas of the brain in unique ways. There's an early hidden stage that sets the groundwork for memory loss, followed by a rapid phase of cognitive decline. These findings, published in Nature Neuroscience, completely reshape our understanding of this devastating disorder. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Science Codons, where we dive into the latest and greatest in scientific discoveries. In today's episode, we're focusing on a fascinating discovery about the process of Alzheimer's and exploring how it's changing our understanding of this complex disease and what it means for future treatments. Let's get started. Alzheimer's is a progressive disease that causes memory loss, thinking problems, and other cognitive issues. It's the most common forms of dementia, and it can have a devastating impact on both patients and their families. On October 14, 2024, a study was published in the journal Nature Neuroscience that builds on previous findings and uncovered new changes occurring during the progression of Alzheimer's disease. Scientists examined the brains of 84 individuals and analyzed over 3.4 million brain cells from Alzheimer's patients. The study revealed that damage to inhibitory neurons in the earliest stage of the disease may lead to disruptions in neural circuits, which is a characteristic feature of Alzheimer's. Also, Alzheimer's was believed to progress through multiple stages marked by cell death, inflammation, and protein accumulation. However, this study redefines the progression into two distinct phases, with gradual early changes followed by a rapid second phase that coincides with symptoms. The phase 1 includes early and silent brain damage. The first phase of Alzheimer's is particularly insidious because it often begins long before any symptoms become noticeable. During this phase, amyloid plaques, clusters of toxic proteins, start accumulating between neurons. Neurons, also known as nerve cells, are the basic units of the brain and nervous system. These cells are responsible for receiving sensory input from the external world, sending motor commands to our muscles, and transforming and relaying electrical signals at every step in between. Interestingly, the real cause at this stage is the damage imposed on specific types of brain cells, especially somatostatin-producing inhibitory neurons, which contrasts with the traditional view that Alzheimer's mainly affects excitatory neurons. These cells play a crucial role in regulating brain activity, and their early loss contributes to the subtle changes in brain circuits. The real issue is that these early changes don't manifest as significant memory or cognitive problems. Instead, the brain compensates, allowing day-to-day activities to continue mostly unaffected. However, beneath the surface, the groundwork for Alzheimer's is being laid. In the phase 2, rapid neurodegeneration and cognitive decline are being seen. The second phase is when Alzheimer's becomes more invisible and debilitating. In this phase, tau proteins inside neurons begin to misfold, leading to the formation of tau tangles. These tangles disrupt the internal structures of brain cells and cause them to die. Combined with the continued accumulation of amyloid plaques, this triggers widespread inflammation in the brain. The brain's immune cells, called microglia, go into overdrive, damaging healthy neurons as they attempt to clear out the toxic proteins. This neuroinflammation, coupled with the spread of thought tangles, results in the rapid progression of Alzheimer's symptoms. Patients begin experiencing noticeable memory loss, confusion, and difficulties with problem solving and language. Ultimately, the question is, why is this two-phase model important? Well, the two-phase model of Alzheimer's progression is crucial because it shifts the focus from merely looking at amyloid plaques. It emphasizes the importance of understanding which brain cells are affected early on and how inflammatory responses later on amplify the damage. This new perspective can potentially change the way treatments are developed. Targeting the disease in its early phase before cognitive symptoms arise could offer an opportunity to delay or even prevent the progression of Alzheimer's. Moreover, treatments aimed at controlling inflammation and stopping the spread of thought tangles could be effective in slowing the rapid decline that occurs in the second phase. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the new world of understanding Alzheimer's. If you found this discovery as fascinating as we did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing science content. Also, don't forget to check our website, which is sciencecodons.com. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.